Did you know that you can actually connect your Twitter account to your Tradingview markup charts and just tweet it straight onto the platform? Haha, stick around. Let me show you how. Load it up! Oh, go on. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand. Alright guys, have another banger for you today on Tradingview. Quite simple, something that you'd enjoy. For those of you all that like to mark up chart, share your chart on social media, this one is for you. Let's dive straight into it. Alright, Twitter. Hi. Alright, so it's simple. So say for argument's sake, I'm on here on my GBP USD chart, and then I do something like this where I'm saying to people that hear what? We're on the 4 hour and I say, yo, let price do something like this, come back right here, then we're gonna go up there, yeah, and then you have your prediction tool and all of that, yeah. Say that to make it simple, you don't even need to pretty it up, right? So you have a prediction tool, bam, right? You want to share this analysis now on social media and you want to tweet it out, right? The greatest thing is that you don't need to download it, put it on your phone, and then you could just like go right here, yeah, bam, and you select, instead of like save the chart image or copy the charts or copy a link, right? You could just tweet the chart, yeah. So when you go to tweet the chart, yeah, the information is going to pop up now for your Twitter account. So all you got to do is just put in your email that's associated with your Twitter and the password, and it's just going to bring it straight onto the platform. Once you sign in, it's going to be connected to your Tradingview and you don't really have to sign in again. And so every time you could just tweet it out straight on the platform. Yeah, simple as that. So once you're logged in now, you're going to see it come up like this. As I said, once you're logged in, you don't have to log in again. It's just going to stay connected, right? Bam, you have right here. You can keep this right here. I said, check out my GBP analysis, right? On Tradingview, you have it right there. Going to click the link. Chart's going to be right here. You follow me? And then you just go tweet. Bam. And that's it. Right away, your chart is tweeted. If you're not following the Dreycosting Academy on Twitter, you should, right? So post some really useful information over there, right? And it's really doing good over there, right? So I need to tell the team to like keep it pumping, right? You're gonna keep it pumping on the Twitter as well, right? So we're not doing too bad. Go to our profile right here. Bam. Dreycosting Academy. We just see what we just tweeted right there, right? And we'll post the certificates and so on to show how the academy is doing as a whole. So this is the academy page. So I don't really have a personal Twitter page, so don't try to message me on Twitter. I don't have a personal Twitter page, but the academy does, yeah. So student services control the academy, and customer care as well have access to the academy. So if you really want to be a part of the academy, you can reach out on Twitter or reach out on the Dreycosting Academy Instagram for customer service as well, and they'll get it started. But anyhow, this is how you tweet directly from Tradingview. All right, hope you enjoy this one. This one is like a little fun, all right? So thank you very much. Big up every subscriber. Straight balling, no stalling. Thank you guys for watching. And if there's anything on Tradingview that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go on, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of the day. I'm out.